Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Serenity. It's an extraordinary day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, girls beach volleyball will play Brevard Heat at 4 p.m.
Good luck, Lady Panthers.
Panthers, do you need volunteer hours? Well, Downtown Melbourne is thrilled to announce the upcoming 2024 Trash Bash event, and we want you to be a part of it.
Together with Keep Brevard Beautiful, the City of Melbourne, Space Coast, Young Professionals, and the Melbourne Regional Chamber, they are gearing up to beautify downtown Melbourne like never before.
This event will be on Saturday, April the 6th, and the time will be from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
There are still spots available, but volunteer spaces are limited to 100. So sign up today to reserve your spot. Together, let's make record-breaking impact by picking up litter from our roadways and alleys.
To sign up, visit this website.
Seniors, the Brevard Schools Foundation has many scholarships available. Seniors, there are multiple scholarships.
That's free money! Please see the attached flyer for link and the QR code for more information. All scholarships are due March 17th. Ms. Jamir put this in Google Classroom over a month ago, and many still have not applied. Remember,
Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!